Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with power deployable running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle there with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, running boards, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera, park assist sensor shut off, hazards, traction control shut off, and you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volts and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way, so you have more space here, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice surface to do so from. And then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.